In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear upper shock mount located right here above your shock. The process for the driver's side is the same for the passenger. I'm going to go ahead and remove our center cap. Pop that off, set that aside. Using our 21mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove our lug nuts. With our lug nuts removed, go ahead and grab the wheel, remove it, and set it aside. And on the top part of our shock here, we have two 15mm bolts. Let's go ahead and loosen those bolts and remove them. Go ahead and grab that shock. Let's go ahead and compress that down. And on the top of the shock here, we have a 15mm nut, and I'm going to use a 1/4 inch on the top of our shock unit itself. I want to go ahead and loosen and remove this nut. So our wrench was slipping on the top here. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to a pair of locking pliers. Let's go ahead and spin that nut off there. Go ahead and take this washer off. Now the washer is facing upward, so it's concave part facing upward. Go ahead and take that mount, slide that up and off. Let's go ahead and drop our new mount down into place. Put our washer on, and we'll get that nut installed. We'll go ahead and make sure that this is nice and tight. Let's go ahead and push this back into place and raise us up. Let's go ahead and get your bolts started. We're going to get them started a few threads by hand first, and we'll go ahead and snug them down. Now that we have bolts started, let's go ahead and snug those down. Going to switch back over to our ratchet. I just want to make sure that these are good and tight. Once you're all set with that, you are now completed. Let's go ahead and install your wheel. I'm going to go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started by hand. Once we get these on, we'll snug them down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds. Once we have those torqued, I'll go ahead and install our center cap. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.